In a culinary world where simplicity meets taste, one fast food item stands out for its universal appeal and iconic status: McDonald's French fries. These golden strips of potato have become more than just a side dish. They are a cultural phenomenon, synonymous with the McDonald's brand and loved by millions worldwide. Ever wondered what gives McDonald's fries that unique, almost addictive flavor? Our journey into the world of McDonald's French fries takes us back to the early 1950s. The McDonald brothers, Richard and Maurice, had successfully established their fast food restaurant, pioneering the speed e-service system that revolutionized the industry. However, it was Ray Kroc, a businessman who saw the immense potential in their operation, who turned McDonald's into the global franchise we know today. Kroc recognized the importance of a quality menu, and at the heart of this was a simple yet appealing item: the French fry. Originally, McDonald's fries were prepared from scratch in each restaurant. Fresh potatoes were peeled, cut and fried, delivering a homemade taste. This approach, however, presented challenges as the brand expanded. Consistency in taste and quality became harder to manage across the growing number of outlets. Recognizing this, McDonald's began to explore ways to maintain their fries' distinctive taste while streamlining the production process. The journey of a McDonald's French fry begins long before it reaches the fryer. It starts on vast farms in regions like Idaho and Washington, renowned for their potato growing conditions. These potatoes are so integral to McDonald's recipe that the mere thought of switching them out is quickly dismissed. As reported by Capital Press, J.R. Simplot created an exceptional variety called the Innate Potato. This potato boasts benefits that make it a healthier option than your average spud. They bruise less and, importantly, release fewer potentially carcinogenic compounds when fried. McDonald's primarily uses two types of potatoes for their fries: Russet Burbank and Shepherdie. The Russet Burbank, primarily cultivated in the Pacific Northwest, is particularly suited for frying, contributing to the signature golden crispiness of the fries. Here's a fun fact. Did you know McDonald's fries over 3.4 billion pounds of potatoes annually? That's an astonishing volume of fries, but not entirely surprising for the globally beloved McDonald's. McDonald's fries wouldn't be the same without their iconic, long, crispy shape. This distinctive form is as essential to the fry experience as its taste, achieved through a specialized cutting process. Imagine a machine akin to a colossal wood chipper, but instead of wood, it propels potatoes at speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour into high-pressure water jets. This formidable cutter operates with a might and noise reminiscent of a turbulent water park ride, as described by workers at McDonald's factories. Post-cutting, the fries undergo a unique bathing process in a blend of dextrose and sodium acid pyrophosphate. Dextrose, a simple corn-derived sugar, is commonly used as a sweetener in various processed foods. It's likely a familiar component of your diet. In this context, dextrose serves a dual purpose. It not only sweetens the fries, but also ensures they maintain a consistent golden hue and avoid turning a grayish color post-frying. Sodium acid pyrophosphate, a food-grade chemical, plays a pivotal role in lowering the acrylamide content, a potential carcinogen, in the fries. Before reaching their final, delectable state, the fries undergo an initial partial frying at McDonald's factories. This pre-frying step is essential for two reasons. It minimizes bacterial growth and simplifies storage. After this, the fries embark on a journey through a flash freezer tunnel extending about 50 yards to be frozen. This freezing is crucial for both their uniform appearance and ease of storage. The addition of sodium acid pyrophosphate earlier in the process ensures the fries retain their natural pale yellow color, even through cooking and freezing. The journey of these fries doesn't end here. Their transportation to various McDonald's locations nationwide involves complex logistics, managed in partnership with companies like Simplot. This Idaho-based food processing giant has been in cahoots with McDonald's since the 1940s. Simplot was a pioneer in the commercial production of frozen French fries and, by the late 1940s, became McDonald's exclusive fry supplier. With processing plants in 4 US cities, Simplot ensures prompt and precise distribution to McDonald's, a task that demands both speed and meticulous attention to detail in catering to such a large-scale operation. McDonald's relies on a network of logistics and trucking companies for fry delivery, including major players like Golden State Foods, which services a staggering 25,000 stores in 50 countries. Once these fries reach your local McDonald's, they're stored frozen until they're ready to be cooked. This locks in the freshness and flavour and allows the fries to be shipped to McDonald's restaurants worldwide without losing quality. Speaking of oil, McDonald's has evolved its cooking practices significantly. Up until 2008, the chain used partially hydrogenated oil, known for its trans fat content. However, McDonald's made a decisive shift, eliminating trans fats from its products. Today, these fries are cooked in a mix of canola, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oil, with natural beef flavour added to replicate the original taste. This wasn't an overnight change though. McDonald's fries were originally cooked in a mix of cottonseed oil and beef tallow, giving them a distinctive flavour and texture. However, health concerns in the 1990s led to a significant change. McDonald's switched to a vegetable oil blend. McDonald's dedicated 7 years to testing 18 different oil types before settling on this blend. The pre-preparation at the factory ensures that the fries cook in just 3 minutes. Another interesting component in the McDonald's fry-making process is dimethyl polyoxin. This silicone-based polymer is used in the cooking oil to prevent foaming and spillovers, ensuring safer cooking conditions. Interestingly, this chemical has also been linked to potential hair regrowth benefits, though it's unlikely to be a cure-all for balding. Dimethyl polyoxin isn't listed among the ingredients of McDonald's fries in the US, as it's not directly added to the fries but used in the cooking process. This approach ensures that everyone, including vegetarians, can enjoy McDonald's fries without concern over hidden beef products. By now, it's clear that every detail at McDonald's is meticulously planned, including the precise amount of salt sprinkled on their fries. McDonald's has mastered the art of salting their fries to ensure maximum flavour while maintaining a balanced sodium content. A small serving of McDonald's fries contains about 0.5 grams of salt, translating to around 160 milligrams of sodium for a small order and 350 milligrams for a large one. This amount is quite reasonable when considering your daily recommended sodium intake. McDonald's understands that the appeal of their fries diminishes as they cool down. Consequently, there's a strict policy on how long fries can stay on the heat tray before being discarded. In Canada, for instance, the limit is 7 minutes. For those who prefer their fries freshly made, a pro tip is to request unsalted fries. This ensures you receive a batch made just for you, completely untouched by salt. Remember though, opting for unsalted fries may mean a slight wait. And we're curious, what's your go-to dip for McDonald's fries? Drop your preferences in the comments below.